Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of the Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way friends, okay? And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments friends, okay? And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya 1906. So we'll spell it for you friends, okay? It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJW 1906. And friend, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon so whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification friends, okay? So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called the master secret of the ages. This topic friends, okay? And friends, in our this video, I'm going to cover the topic called the marvelous power of your subconscious. This topic I'm going to cover. And this is friend 4 number video and the topic is the marvelous power of your subconscious. So let us see what Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. You can bring into your life more power, more wealth, more health. Okay. So here Joseph Murphy is telling to us that you can bring into your life more power, more wealth and more health, okay? More happiness and more joy by learning to contact and release the hidden power of your subconscious mind. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling by learning the contact and release the hidden power of your subconscious mind, you can bring joy, health and more happiness into your life, okay? You do not need to acquire this power. So here Joseph Murphy is telling you do not need to acquire this power, you already process it, but you want to learn how to use it. So this is a very important statement friends, okay? So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling you do not need to process this power, we already have this power, and but you only need to learn how to use this power. You want to understand it so that you can apply it in all department of your life. So by understanding we can apply this in all department of our life. So we need only to understand this power friends, okay? So this the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic friends, okay? As you follow the simple technique and process set forth in the book, in this book. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling there are simple process and technique which is being said in this book. So if you follow it, you are going to get this benefit. You can gain the necessary knowledge and understanding. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that we can gain the necessary understanding and knowledge. A new light can inspire you. A new light can always inspire us, and you can generate a new force enabling you to realize your hopes and make all your dream come true. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that they are helping us to enable and realize the hopes and make us all our dream come true, okay? Decide now to make your life grander, greater, richer, and nobler than ever before. So, here the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us decide your life to make grander, greater, richer, and nobler than ever before. Okay. Within your subconscious depth lie infinite wisdom. So here within the author Joseph Murphy is telling that within our subconscious depth it lies the infinite wisdom, infinite power and infinite supply of all that is necessary. So infinite power and infinite supply of all that is necessary for us, which is waiting for development and expression. So which is also waiting for us for development and expression. Begin now to recognize this potential of your deeper mind. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling by knowing this we should keep on recognizing the personality of our deeper mind, and they will take form in the world without you. So this are also going to take uh, firm in the world without our conscious knowledge. The infinite intelligence within your subconscious mind can reveal to you everything you need to know at every moment of time and point of space, provided you are open minded and receptive. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling the infinite intelligence within our subconscious mind can reveal us everything about this moment, whichever we want to know about this space, by being open minded and receptive. So to know this knowledge, it is very important for us is to be open mind and receptive, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, you can receive new thought and ideas, enabling you to bring for new invention. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling we can receive new thoughts and the ideas, enabling our forthcoming and the new inventions. Make new discoveries or write books and play. So we should make new discoveries, or we should write books and plays. Moreover, the infinite intelligence is your subconscious can impart to your wonderful kinds of the knowledge of the original nature. So here, moreover, the infinite intelligence of a subconscious mind can impact the wonderful kinds of the knowledge of the original nature, friends. Okay, so this here Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. It can reveal to you and open the way for perfect expression and truth place in your life. So this subconscious can reveal us the way and open the perfect expression and true place in our life, friends. Okay, through the wisdom of your subconscious mind, you can attract the ideal companion. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that through the wisdom of our subconscious mind, we can attract the ideal companion in our life, friends. Okay, as well as right business associate or partner. So and even we can also attract right business associate and also the partner. It can find the right buyer for your home. So it can also buy the right buyer for our home and provide you with the all money, with all the money you need. So it can provide us with the all the money which we need, and the financial freedom to be, to do and to go as your heart desire. So also, and the financial freedom to do whatever we want and whatever our heart desire. So this the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, so this the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, it is your right to discover this inner world of thought, feeling and power. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that it is our right to discover the inner feeling of power, light and love and beauty. So thought, feeling and power of light, love and beauty. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us it is our right to discover this inner world of thought, feeling and power of light, love and beauty. Okay, through invisible it forces are mighty. So through the invisible it forces are mighty. Within your subconscious mind, you will find the solution of every problem. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that within your subconscious mind, you are going to find every problem and every solution, and the cause of every effect, and also the cause of every effect, because you can draw out the hidden powers. So in this way you can also draw out the hidden powers. You come into actual possession of the power and wisdom necessary to move forward in abundance. So you actually come in the possession of power and wisdom and the necessary to move forward in abundance, security, joy and dominion. So this the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, I have seen the power of the subconscious lift people up out of crippled state, making them whole, vital and strong once more. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that I have seen the power of the subconscious lift people up out of the crippled state, making them whole, vital and strong once more, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, and free to go out in the world to experience happiness, health and joyous expression. So and we will also become free to experience the happiness, health, joyous, and expression in the outer world. So, this Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. There is a miraculous healing power in your subconscious that can heal and trouble mind and the broken heart. So here, Joseph Murphy, author Joseph Murphy, is telling that there is a miraculous healing power in your subconscious that can heal the troubled mind and the broken heart. So if our mind is troubled and our heart is broken, still our subconscious mind can heal that, because subconscious mind have that miraculous power. It can open the prison door of the mind and liberate you. So our subconscious mind can also open the prison doors of our mind and liberate us, friends. Okay. So this the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. It can free you from all kind of material and physical bondage. So our subconscious mind can also free us from all kind of physical and material bondage, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. So friends, this today's topic came to an end, and in our today's topic I have covered the concept called the marvelous power of your subconscious. This topic, friends. Okay. And friends, in our next topic I am going to cover the topic concept called necessity of a working basis. This topic, friends. Okay. So friends, this topic came to an end, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care. And I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. And I will be meeting you in the next video.